while you enter in the dining room, I'm going to give you special codes to all of you, and everybody going to asking why you are dressed like that. We get everybody on board. The first step that we do while we come into the galley is to wash the hands. All right. Chin chin. Chin chin. Chin chin. Something missing.
Salute. Salute.
Cocktail, margarita. With the cherry tomato, Provençal, with peanut cheese from Uruguay, with the egg and cream mix from Royal. Okay.
This is fresh, and the chef used 2 knives and 1 chopping board to chop it. This doesn't go through a stick. This is chopping all on the chopping board. Caviar, not everybody likes, and that's not a problem. The problem will start when you start to like the caviar. I mean, I have to put it on because, you see, never trust the skinny chef, right? I'm supposed to leave a place with the mouth. No, I'm all right. Let's go to the other side. So
I'll see you in a couple of minutes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, the best result in the world comes from was lobster gloves, and we got lobster there, we got lobster tails and grilled asparagus to your left. And this one is done in lobster stock with parmesan, and then finished off with a little bit mascarpone, which gives it a little.
It's good food. Good food.
Go away with the empty bottle.
Thank you very much. Here we go. A little bit.
Wow.
What the heck are you guys eating?
Pork, venison, and beef.
Oh my god, no way. This is the pork, venison, and beef.
Don't fight yet, eh?
It's vintage 2007, a perfect age for a Merlot. Enjoy with your
This is venison.
Okay.
This is beef.
Okay.
And the piece of pork.
Wow.
With this dish, we're gonna serve some dessert wine, which is a Sauvignon Blanc, late harvest. It is sweet. I'm sure that you'll enjoy it with this fantastic dish prepared by our
That's
sous chef
awesome.
Giancarlo.
Thank you very much.
De tu puerta, mi puerta, cielito lindo, solo 6 and 7. Tomorrow culinary show.
Thank you.
9:15.